Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. I am using LinkedIn Learning and I'm currently working through a function that used min and max. And it occurred to me that Python is very well known by chatgpt. So I went ahead and more or less repeated the instructions from the LinkedIn exercise, typed in the instructions here, and it really helps if you're very specific about what it is you want. So you can see here's my prompt, and you can see that it gave each line its own code block, and here is the function that will find the lowest population. Now, this function did not use min max. I didn't tell it to use min max. It just did it, which in many cases is all you really want, right? You want it to work. And here it is working. So I took the code, pasted it in, and print find lowest population country. And I hit the play button in Visual Studio Code. And the answer is Canada. Yay, Canada. So it really did work. Um, Now, if I don't know what is the next largest country, so I'm going to just whack out Canada. I'm going to whack out Canada and see who is the next biggest country, or in this case, lowest population country. And the answer is Russia. So you can see Russia is the largest country by size. Um, and then it is the second largest or second smallest by population. Anyway, point here is all of this was written with very just maybe 30 lines of prompting, 40 lines of prompting, and I got working code. That's chat.openai.com. Thank you for watching and happy computing.